called the Back Bay, Old River, Perdido Key. Yesterday I walked across to the beach. Guess we're probably only a half a mile wide barrier island here called Perdido Key. And this is what the back side of it looks like. The north side, which is opposite from the beach. This is all state park next to our condo here. So we have about a mile of state park, which is pretty much untouched. And they have lots of trails and places to go in there. We're going to walk along the water, so we don't have that many places. And the island back there that we're looking at, it is an island. It's called Ono Island. And although we're in Florida, the state line actually wraps around the east end of the island there. So that's Alabama. And the state line's about halfway, right in the middle of the river. So if you're in a boat, you can go back and forth between Alabama and Florida in just a few seconds. Be quiet a minute and let you guys see the landscape. Hey Elsa, what you doing? You're a good girl. Yeah, you're a good girl. Actually, like a little inland pool here. Like a little bitty lake. And it does not connect with the river, I guess, unless there's a big storm. But I don't know if it's brackish or fresh, if it's being fed by some kind of underground spring. I'll have to come over and check the water one day and check it with a meter, see what the salt content is. It's a very interesting little inland lake there. I'm sure there's plenty of creatures around, turtles and whatever, like having that, especially if it's fresh water. About the end, since I have shoes on, I don't feel like getting wet today. Warms up a little bit more. Get out here and walk through the water. Head back. Make sure the dog doesn't run off. Here you are, Elsa. Come on, let's go. Elsa. Don't run off. We're about, probably less than 5 miles from the Naval Air Station. We're all Navy pilots learn to fly south of Pensacola. And so there's lots of airplane and aircraft traffic down here all the time. Of course, that's also the home of the Blue Angels. So usually every Sunday afternoon they fly over. I'm going to have to try to get picture of that for you guys. When they're coming back from a show somewhere, they'll buzz the beach before they land. There's the condo there. Nice view of the state park in the back bay. Really nice outdoors there. Elsa, where you going? Elsa, come. Trying to do some off-leash training with my dog. She's getting better. Not a whole lot of places for her to go over here. Because she doesn't like to swim. Great Australian Shepherd. Hey girl. Hey girl. You a good girl? Yes you are. Yeah. You're a good girl. Okay. Elsa. Elsa, don't run off. Come here. Good for her to get out in this fresh air. Move around a little bit. She likes to explore herself. What'd you find there, Elsa? Huh? Anything interesting? Alright, well that's about it for today. And like I say, if you stay in Perdido Key, not only can you visit the beach, but you can rent a boat and come back here on the back bay and do some inshore fishing. Lots of speckled trout, flounder, other things to catch here. We enjoy it down here. You get a view from the little pier we got. Very shallow up in this area. The whole river itself is not very deep. Probably 5 or 6 feet at the most in the middle where the boats are over there. So we don't get too many big boats through here. Elsa, where are you going? Keep an eye on her. She wants to run off. Alright guys, No Travel Agenda Steve, showing you a little bit more around Perdido Key, Florida. Hope you enjoyed it. Any questions, just leave them in the comments. Thanks.